The case of a man who went to jail last week because he had failed to pay more than $70,000 in child support prompted us to take a closer look at the problem in Jefferson County. 6 News reporter Lindsey Kovacevich met with a woman who went to court today to get her son's father to pay his fair share.
The Jefferson County Courthouse is a place where people come to settle many different issues, whether criminal or civil.
It's his responsibility. It's not just mine. It takes two to make a child, and, he needs to live up to that. And I can't do it myself.
Jamie McLaughlin is in court with her attorney to get child support from her son's father.
I was still in high school when I got pregnant, and he was right out of high school, and, our lives were just started, so it's just, he wasn't grown up yet, but I had to grow up. So he's still kind of in that process, and that's what we're facing now. It's just time to grow up, and it's time to pay.
McLaughlin isn't the only one in Jefferson County who's having problems getting child support.
You've got two attorney general's offices. You've got the Beaumont office, and you've got the Nederland Mid-County Port Arthur office. Between the two of those, on their active cases, which isn't all of the child support that's collected, just on their cases, they collected in last fiscal year $46 million.
Judge Larry Thorne deals with family law. That includes a lot of child support cases. Judge Thorne says there's no excuse for not paying, for not fulfilling your duty as a parent.
If they have ever been employed, if they are employable, I say, well, you should have done something, and I usually hold them in contempt. They're going to jail if they don't pay.
Last Friday, Gerald Victor Coy was arrested on felony charges for failing to pay more than $72,000 to support his 2 children.
People don't pay their child support, the other spouse suffers, and the child suffers. And so, this is a good avenue, a good place to come get some relief in the 317th and the 279th. And not only can you get your back child support retroactive and make them pay an additional amount a month, but you can also have it taken out of their paycheck if they're working.
Attorney Kent Walston is helping McLaughlin get some of the thousands of overdue dollars to help raise her toddler.
I know a lot of moms who have done it besides me, and, it's been a struggle. You make sacrifices, but you do it because it's your kid.
Sacrifices this young mother has made from the beginning. A mother now turning to the courts to make the father pay his fair share. In Beaumont, Lindsey Kovacevich, KFDM 6 News.
A judge can order a mother or a father to go to jail if they violate a court order to make child support payments. The IRS can also seize money from paychecks for overdue child support payments.